Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So I recently received my Beach Please collection from Revel Nail. Although I waited 3 weeks for this, I think it's absolutely worth it. So today I will be using 3 powders from this collection. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and I will be showing you the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Splash. Next is in the shade Reef. This is one of my favorite shades from this collection. And lastly, the shade Solstice. And this is a bright yellow shade. So for the liquids, of course, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the activator. And for the top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So as always, I will be applying my nail dehydrator on all of my nails to remove the natural oil on my nails. And then next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. But of course, you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. So then moving on to my Pro Base, I apply a thin layer of this on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be applying the shade Solstice on my pointy, pinky, and thumb. And as always, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So then next, I move on to the shade Reef, and I will be applying this on my ring nail. And again, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And for my middle nail, I will be applying 2 coats of the shade Splash. This shade is really pretty and very sparkly. I really like this one. So once I'm finished with all the colors, I move on to my clear powder to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but as always, I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails. This will protect your colors and your glitters from piling and buffing. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and bath off camera, and then I use toothbrush to remove all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat and apply 2 coats of this and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your depowder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.